Meaning of futilely.
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 Futilely. Futilely means to do something without achieving any significant result or success. It implies that the effort put into the task was in vain or pointless. When someone acts futilely, they are expending energy and resources towards a goal that will not be achieved. The end result is disappointment, frustration, and wasted effort. It suggests a sense of hopelessness, as one continues to try without any meaningful progress. In short, acting futilely means attempting to achieve something with no real possibility of success, resulting in wasted energy and resources.